Zenler calendar. You can find the Zenler calendar under live and then calendar. So the calendar will show any event lives that you have set up. You can also use this live calendar block inside of pages. When you add the calendar to the pages, people are able to book just by clicking on the live event. Please note that if the live class is in there, students will need to enroll to that course to get access to the live, or if you've made it paid, they can pay for the live in there as well. It will show streams, live class, live webinar and live interactive webinars all inside the calendar. People also have the option to filter which live events they wish to see, and they're able to see if they are registered for that session, if they are logged in. Also, the time that you set, in this case GMT time, will show their time zone wherever they are in the world.